Hi, welcome everyone. I'm Lisa
I'm Ellen.
and I run RetroHex, which is a design business in Toowoomba.
And I run two businesses, Self-Care for Teachers and Perk Digital, which is a podcast and content marketing business.
On the 11th of May, Saturday, the 11th of May, we're going to be doing a blogging workshop for beginners. So if you have a business and you're wanting to create more content for your website, which will help increase your rank in Google because it's all good for SEO, then you guys should definitely come along and join us. What are we going to be looking at, Ellen?
We are talking about, number one, why would you blog and what do you talk about? If you have a business, what should you be blogging about? What do your customers want to know? And then we're going to talk about how to optimize things so that you do show up in Google for the SEO. So what do you need to know for your search engine optimization?
Yeah, so in this part, we're going to be looking specifically at researching for keywords and how to make really good titles for your blog posts, which will help you get found more readily in Google.
Yes, and we're also going to cover some ways to better manage your time so that blogging doesn't become a slog, so that you actually can do it consistently and share some valuable, excellent resources with your audience regularly without burning yourself out, because nobody wants that.
We all know we're really busy in business running and managing our businesses, and usually blogging is always out of those hours, so we need to find ways to make it work within our business.
So this workshop is on the 11th of May, which I think is the election date, isn't it?
Oh,
that's all right. You can vote first. We don't have any democracy sausages, but come along. We can get our blog plans written. So it's in the middle of the day. So it goes from 10 till 2:30, and it's at Canvas Co-working in Ruthven Street in Toowoomba.
I say Ruthven. Do you? Yeah.
Oh.
Thanks.
Anyway, so it's on the 11th of May, 10 a.m. till 2:30 at Canvas Co-working, and we have some early bird tickets. Tell us about those, Lisa.
Well, only 1 week left, but you get 20% off. So regular tickets are $120, but if you get in within the next week, so until the 25th of April, which is Anzac Day.
It is Anzac Day, yeah.
You get 20% off. So make sure you book online. You can go to RetroHex website and go to the workshop page and you can book there. And we'll also have a link here.
And yes, it's Saturday the 11th of May, so your two dates to remember are really easy because the Australian government didn't consult us first, but the blogging workshop is on the election day and the early bird tickets run out on Anzac Day. So jump in for that 20% discount before Anzac Day, and we would love to see you and help get you started on your blogging journey. See ya!
See ya!